You wake up on a strange heavenly body. You don't know where you are. Luckily, you have on hand the following information. You also have a knowledge of physics and plenty of rocks. Your task is to find out where you are. Are you on Earth, Mars, Pluto, Jupiter, or the Moon? Now, I say that you have plenty of rocks, and the reason why this is useful is because you happen to know a fact about yourself. You happen to know that on Earth, the farthest you can throw a rock is 40 meters. Not bad. So you devise a scheme. You decide to compare your abilities on Earth to your abilities on this new unknown location. You find that in this new unknown location, you can throw 250 meters. This is all I'm going to tell you. From here, you're on your own. Can you tell me which planet you're on? And yes, I know the moon isn't really a planet, and some people will try to tell you Pluto wasn't either, but don't listen to them. If you're having trouble with this one, because I know this is a very tricky problem, you can go onto the forums and look for some help.